Hello everyone, how you doing today? I'm back with another video today. In today's video we have an HP laptop. This one is an HP 15-DY model. If you want to know the exact model, is an HP 15-DY-1002 model. And in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can open it up and replace your battery for the 15-DY series. So this applies for all the series on the DY models. Alright, the tools that you're going to be needing is simple. One is screwdriver set. I always recommend you guys to grab the iFixit tool set. Screwdriver set. These are aluminum handle, really durable. And the bits are S2 class steel. That means they will last you a much longer period of the time. You want to grab a Phillips number 1, and then you want to grab a opening tool. You can either get the Pro version of this one, which includes you a few more tools, tweezers, opening tools, and wristband for a static discharge, or you can just simply grab a guitar pick. A metallic guitar pick are very suitable to opening covers and cases. To the laptop, once you power it on and you play upside down, when you look at the bottom of the laptop, you're gonna see two screws, one on each corner. But there are a few more screws are hidden under the rubber leg support in here and over here. To remove these rubber legs, you want to grab your guitar pick and you want to stick it real sharply at the end, and you want to just scoop it down all the way down, scrub it down and bring it up so you can lift up the rubber right here, and has a little adhesive to it. Just lift it up, bring it up towards the ceiling. Don't go over, otherwise you're going to crack the rubber right there. So bring it up, pull it up like that, and you should disconnect it. And just bring it to the side and put it on the side. Do the same thing for the front. This one is more fragile a little bit. It's a little thinner. Just lift it up, bring it over, put it on the side. Now you're gonna see the exposed screws. There's a two black screws, one on each corner by the hinges. So that's all you have to remember. Black screws by the hinges on each corner. And one in the middle, and one here, one on each corner on the front side. Go ahead and remove all the screws. Keep them in two separate piles. Also, I realize only 1% of my viewers are watching my subscribing to my channel. If you guys want to support the channel and you find my videos helpful, just click that like button and think about subscribing. It really greatly helps and motivates me to make more videos, take requests, and answer questions. I'll really appreciate it. Alright, once you remove the screws, now what you want to do, open up the laptop. You want to grab the opening tool and you want to stick it between the palm rest and the bottom cover. You start from here, from one corner, doesn't matter which corner. You want to stick it right there about 2 or 3 millimeters, all the way that it goes. And now you want to just twist it towards the outside. Just walk yourself through. Just twist, 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 and you're going to see this opening. So you want to do all the front side, do the side, do the left and right side, both sides, all the way to the back corner. Once you did the sides and the corner back, close it down, open it up. Now right here at the back, you want to stick it right close to the top cover here. And you want to just twist it, slowly, gently twist. And you're going to see an opening right there. I don't know if you guys can see. I have the camera right in my face. You want to stick it there. You want to just twist, twist, twist. There we go. Doesn't matter if you didn't unhook one of the hooks, nothing's going to happen. Because once we grab it from the corner, you're going to put your hand right on the hinge, bring it up, and then work. You see this side, it's hard. I'm just wiggling around, pulling it really hard, and I'm going to release those hooks. Once you lift up this side, which is the USB-C side, and you want to scoop it outward towards the power jack. And then you have the bottom cover right here. And down here, the battery is right in front of you. The big huge thing. There's two arrows that they are empty screws right there. So in order to remove it, remove all the chrome screws that are hitting the battery. So one right there. There you go. There should be 4 or 5 screws in total. Once you remove it, grab it from the back side, lift it up, and then pull it in the front end of the laptop. And there's your battery. This one is an HT03XL model. I'll try to find some links for this one. I'll leave it in the video description so you guys can look through it. Also, if you want to support the channel, you can use my Amazon links on my video description to do your purchases. That really greatly helps me out. So I get a little bit of commission off there. Let's say you get a new battery in, bring it over, make sure the here matches the contact, align it on top, press it down, press all the side, make sure the screw holes match, and put the screws wherever you see the screw holes. Remember, here there's no screw and there's no screw on this side. There we go. Once you have the new battery installed, just grab the top cover. First, you want to scoop in where the power jack and the 2 USB ports are. So just bring it from outside, scoop it right really close on the bottom. Make sure it goes in nicely. So you should be able to see it nicely, all the ports. Once you see those ports in place, just squeeze and press down. You should hear a click. Front side in the same side. Press the back and then work yourself to the corner and press it real hard. The back here, make sure you hit those clicks. Now you're going to open it up and you're going to see a little bit of gaps opening right here. So all you want to do is just pinch them together real hard. And you can open it up and pinch the corners, wherever you see an opening in here, back there, and you should be all set. And the last thing is to put the bottom screws and the rubber right at the back on the top. I hope you guys liked this video and helped you guys out to do your own replacement for the battery. If it did, please click the like button. And if you have any question or requests, feel free to leave them in a video comment. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. And again, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Just gonna finish up putting the screws and the rubber legs at the bottom.